Right, in this question we're going to simplify x squared minus x minus 2 divided by x squared minus 4. So the principle is to factorise first. So factorising the numerator, so this is a quadratic, so it will need two brackets. And we need an x and an x to get the x squared, and the only way to get 2 is 1 and 2. And we want minus 1 in the middle, so this one has to be negative and this one has to be positive. And then also 1 times minus 2 will give me minus 2. Now this type, you should recognise this as being a squared minus b squared, the difference of 2 squares. This is x squared minus 2 squared. So a is going to be x and b is going to be the square root of 4, which is 2. So this factorises down to x plus 2, x minus 2, and now what we have to do is to cancel. So we see we've got an x minus 2 here and here, so we can cancel those, and we're left with x plus 1 over x plus 2. We don't no longer need to put those in brackets. So this has been a video to show you how to factorise an algebraic fraction by factorising first and then cancelling. I hope you've understood, and I thank you very much for watching.